Today is a very, very special day, and today I am going to share with you an amazing city of San Antonio and the place called River Walk. It is amazing and historical place. Alright, as you see, it's an absolutely amazing, beautiful day. I'm sitting on the table next to River Walk, and a few minutes I'm going to tell you a little details about River Walk, San Antonio. We have a tours here at the River Walk. The tourists can explore the city from the water side. So it's a little ship. People go in and have a interesting excursion, a little bit about everything in the city. Well, in 1500s, architect Robert Hagman had a vision for this absolutely amazing place and start building it. And since then, we have all fun happening here. Tons of tourists. Every single year, a lot of people visiting this absolutely amazing and unique place in the world. And now we are going to continue and see what is else down there. Alright, so River Walk, it's 7 kilometers. You can just keep walking, and you can see a lot of interesting things here. Like I said, a lot of tourists, a lot of restaurants, and the end of the street, it's a big shopping center. And of course, from time to time, they have a lot of boats going on. All right, that's one of excursions we were able to catch. Hello! Yes, so much fun. People resting, eating, and enjoying the weather. Okay, this is what's going on under those big bridges as long as you walk. Pretty amazing view. Alright, we continue walking and continue discovering this amazing river walk. Of course, here is a tons of all kinds of different hotels around and restaurants. And people walking, that's what river walk for. And since we is in the water, there is a river and there is a waterfall. So you get all surrounded, absolutely amazing nature. Everything here in this amazing river walk is so colorful and bright and beautiful, and especially in this really sunny day. And this is how the sky going, right there. So much fun. All right, different angles of different hotels. It's all on the river walk, and it's absolutely amazing and unique and beautiful architecture. I don't think you will be able to see these things anywhere else. I'm trying to show you so you will get idea, complete idea. And I'm going to keep walking. There is so many different walks you can do in the river walk. So many interesting little tiny places between restaurants and hotels. There is also tiny bridges you can cross. So if you want to get from one side to another, you must cross the bridge. And that's exactly how it looks. So people can go from one side to another side, because this is two different sides of the river walk. All right, we are in the front of Aztec Theater. It's right on the river walk, and it's amazing. It has that, you know, a little feeling of something miracle. And on the top of the bridge, city of San Antonio continue. Be busy. Tall buildings, amazing, beautiful. A lot of palms, some flowers. Everything really looks amazing and beautiful. All surrounded by different type of the hotels. All right, walking through another bridge, under the bridge. And everything here looks miracle. All right, a little bit more walk in this beautiful place. A little place made from stone to relax if you want to cool off. Okay, this is another hotel. A lot of different hotels. All right, I guess we all together had amazing walk through the river walk. Time to a little bit relax. I would like to thank you for being with me today in this amazing San Antonio river walk place. So enjoy your day. I hope you like my channel. I hope you subscribe. I hope you share. And I will see you next video. Enjoy your middle of the week. And I'm sending you vibes of hugs, love, and just happiness. See you soon. Bye-bye.